Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by unlocking and opening the taskbar settings. This gets you straight into specific controls. Once unlocked, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar so you can change alignment. Make sure you're using an account with permission to modify the taskbar, otherwise you won't be able to save changes. While here, note the taskbar behavior section so you can fine-tune later. Now proceed to the alignment control to move the icons toward the center. You will set taskbar alignment to center in taskbar behaviors. That places the icons in the middle automatically. If you do not see the option, update Windows first, or apply a registry tweak or PowerShell script to change alignment, proceed carefully. Once you change alignment via registry or a script, restart Explorer so the layout refreshes immediately. Make sure shortcuts and pinned apps remain where you want them, and adjust spacing by adding or removing pinned items. You finish by locking the taskbar so it stays centered, and then verify each app icon is where you expect. If icons jump or alignment reverts, restart Explorer or sign out and sign in to force the layout to reapply. In case of manual registry edits, always keep a backup so you can restore changes quickly. That prevents long recovery steps. If problems persist after a restart, check for conflicting third-party utilities and disable them before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.